Sounds of Inspiration, Writing with Your Ears. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting area of creative writing, using sounds and soundscapes as stimuli for your writing pieces. Have you ever been moved by a melody, or felt a story stir within you from the patter of rain? That's the magic of auditory inspiration. Sounds are everywhere. From the chirping of birds to the bustling of a city street, each sound tells a story. Soundscapes refer to the collection of sounds that form an immersive environment. Imagine standing in a forest, with the rustling leaves, distant bird calls, and the soft gurgle of a stream. That's a soundscape. 1. Evoke emotions. Sounds, especially music, can evoke powerful emotions. Think of the emotions a soft lullaby or an intense thunderstorm can stir within you. 2. Build atmosphere. Soundscapes can quickly set the scene. The chatter in a cafe can paint a setting faster than descriptive words. 3. Stimulate imagination. A mysterious sound or an unfamiliar tune can spark questions and curiosity, leading to new story ideas. 1. Active listening. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on the sounds around you. What do you hear? How does it make you feel? 2. Field recordings. If you have a recording device or smartphone, capture sounds from various locations. Later, play them back and write whatever comes to mind. 3. Free writing. Play a random soundscape or piece of music. Write non-stop for 10 minutes, letting the sound guide your words. 4. Dialogue inspiration. Listen to conversations or ambient noise in public spaces. Create a story or dialogue based on snippets of conversation you hear. 1. Sound prompting. Each day, listen to a new sound or soundscape. Write a short paragraph or poem inspired by it. 2. Mood creation. Choose a piece of music that evokes a specific emotion. Write a scene that matches that emotion. 3. Story soundtrack. Imagine a short story or novel as a movie. What sounds or songs would be in its soundtrack? Write a scene using that imagined soundtrack. Sounds surround us every day, whispering stories and evoking emotions. By tuning into these auditory wonders, you can uncover a wealth of inspiration for your creative writing endeavors. We hope this video has opened your ears to the endless possibilities of using sound in your writing. Until next time, happy listening and happier writing.